Do you believe you have a good trading skills but you lack enough funds, you don't have enough funds? Then there is a solution for you. This video is exactly made for you. Trading in crypto or any market like stock market or indices, it needs a very unique skill, as well as along with the skill you need enough funds to trade as well. So in this video, if you are someone who is looking to get funded, who is looking to get a money paid by someone and you can use that money to trade, then this video is going to be much helpful for you, because I am going to start this prop firm trading challenge. So what is prop firm? I'll be letting you know in this video, so watch this video completely till the end. So in this video, I'm going to tell you these points, and I'm going to cover these topics, so you have to watch the video completely till the end. So before starting today's video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Our channel is getting closer towards 1 million subscribers. Just tap on that subscribe button. And now let's get started with today's video. So the first topic is, what is prop firm? So what is actually a prop firm and what are we going to do with that? So prop firm is nothing but a company which provides capital to a skilled trader, and the trader takes that money and trades with that capital, and whatever the profit he makes, he keeps a profit of up to 90% of profit and gives 10% profit to that company. So I'll be telling you exactly in this video how you can approach any company and how you can get that capital to take a trade and start your trading journey. So before we choose any prop firm, let's understand why are we taking prop firm. The reason is very simple. I see a lot of people on internet receiving a huge payout from a prop firm such as $35,000, $17,000, $40,000. Does it actually happen? So that's the reason I'm going to take a prop firm challenge, and I'll be telling you which prop firm I'll be using for this particular challenge. The prop firm I'm choosing for this challenge is known as Supertrade. So why exactly Supertrade? I'll be letting you know step by step. First and foremost, what is Supertrade? Supertrade is a prop firm which I mentioned, and as you guys can see on the screen, they say that you trade, we will fund you up to $200,000. So how do you exactly get $200,000? I'll be letting you know in this particular challenge journey from the Supertrade. So before choosing any prop firm, the most important part is knowing about the team, because if prop firm turns out to be non-legitimate, you will not be receiving a payment and your hard work will be wasted. So for that, I did my research. You can see they are having a global presence and a dedicated team. You can see they are serving users in the worldwide up to 30 plus countries, and as well as they have 2 global offices and customer support of 24/7. And I cross-checked with ChatGPT according to them, and ChatGPT gave us the verification that this prop firm exists. Legally, they have a company. You can see all the details in the screen. And now the most important reason why am I choosing Supertrade is very simple. They are having a leverage of up to 200x leverage. Yes, they are providing 1:200 leverage in Forex and 1:4 leverage in the crypto in phase 1 and phase 2 account. You can see on the screen. And also they have multiple reasons to be as a prop firm. You can see they have 150 plus most popular and profitable trading assets, which means the higher the asset, the more easier it will be for the trading. And they have 95% profit split, and also they have instant funding as well apart from the challenge. And if you're wondering how this entire thing works, all you have to do is, first step is to choose a funding model, that is choose your account size, and then you have to pass the challenge proving that you're actually a good skill trader. And then after that, they'll be giving you a funds with the live funds and the actual amount of money, and you can make the profits out of it and withdraw the profits of up to 95%. Now the question is, what is the account size I'm going to choose? I'm going to choose an account size of $50,000 because this is a very common account size in the crypto and in the prop firm trading journey as well. So I'll be choosing 50,000 as my account size. Now the last question is, why am I starting this prop firm trading challenge? The answer is very simple. A lot of you guys in my channel are interested in trading and they actually have a good skills in trading, but they lack the funds. They lack a good amount of funds to be profitable and make a good amount of money in trading. So that's why I'm going to make a multiple videos as a series, and I'll be showing you how you can register in Supertrade, how you can buy their account, as well as how you can pass the challenge, how you can actually prove that you are a good and a skilled trader, which is an important part in this entire series, that is how to pass the challenge and get funded. And after getting funded, how you can take trades and how you can manage the real money and how you can withdraw the profits. Every single thing will be covered in this series. The series is going to be long. It's going to be 4 or 5 videos or maybe more than that, but it is going to be helpful. So this is an episode number 1 officially. So watch this video again if you feel that you missed something out. So make sure you rewatch this video and get the entire point. So I think that is it for today's video. Like and share this video as much as possible, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.